Hello friends, my name is Suvagya Rushabh. Today our topic is space segment and station of satellite communication. Introduction. Satellite communication uses space system to send and receive signals. The space segment includes satellite and their equipment. It works with ground station for communication. What is space segment? Part of the satellite system located in space includes satellites, transponder, and antennas. Relays signal between Earth stations. Component of Components of space segment: satellite, transponder, power system, telemetry, tracking and control. Satellite orbit Earth in GEO, MEO, or LEO. Act as repeater in space, receives, amplifies, and retransmits signals. Transponder, heart of the satellite, receive signal, shift frequency, amplifies, and send them back. Handles many channels. Satellite antennas, used to send and receive signals. Types of satellite antennas: wide beam antennas, spot beam antennas. Power system: solar panels provide energy. Batteries power the satellite during eclipse. Ensure 24 by 7 operation. Telemetry tracking and control system monitors satellite health, tracks position, sends control commands from Earth. Role of space segment: used in TV, radio, internet, GPS, weather, and military communication. Covers remote areas and oceans. Conclusion: space segment is essential for satellite communication, include satellites, antennas, transponders, and control system. Ensure global connectivity. Thank you.